So now many people get nervous when it comes to measuring current in electronics. Hopefully this demonstration will make it less scary. So in any case, we have milliamps that we set right there. If there's a number, set it to a number higher than what you can expect to measure. I don't have to move the red probe for anything but high current for this meter right here. And you have to open up the circuit. It has to be off, there has to be a gap, and then you can bridge the gap with the meter to measure the current. We have a red LED here. We got 5 volts at the supply, and the red LED is being protected by a 220 ohm resistor. It's going to go up a little bit as the LED warms up. It just starts conducting a little bit better. But in any case, there you can see we got about 13.6 milliamps of current, which is what we calculated, because 5 volts, 220 ohm resistor, but the red LED drops about 2 volts from the resistor, which then sets the current. Make sure you turn the meter off. So now we're going to get some more practice with measuring current with the blue LED. We'll set the meter to milliamps of current. If there's a number, again, make sure it's to a number higher. I don't have to move the red probe for anything but high current with this particular meter. So we're good to go on that end as well. Now you need a load to limit the current. Generally the load you're going to be using, but you have to turn it off. You have to make a gap if it's already connected. If there's a switch, you could just measure across the switch. Just go around the switch. But there you can see we got about 9 milliamps of current for the blue LED. So I just made a video where I did the voltages. We have 5 volts at the supply. I can't measure that though right now. That would be a short circuit bad for the meter. 5 volts at the supply. Blue LED drops about 3 volts. So even though we're using a 220 ohm resistor, we have less current flowing, about 9 milliamps of current, than we did with the red LED. Make sure you turn the meter off when you're done to protect it.